Let's go.
Wanirie, walanu wa degbe koko.
Yes, sir.
Degbe koko na neru no sa, no suwayo, no suwabire. No suwayo, no ye mame suyadio, no ye mame suyao, no ye ya dio.
Ye yakua fire. Celebration, so that I will do well on us above. Daddy Jesu, let's go. Daddy Jesu, Jesu menera, udalele kona. Jesu menera, udalele kona. Awe kona wewe, udalele. Awo baba. Go. Voice of justice and vigilance. We celebrate this afternoon, you Ay, la amigo la fio y no. Papi Jesús. So.
Adege mi ya Manuel.
Papi Jesús. Jesús menera. Jesús menera. Tu ese menera. Papá está buena. Oh, pues se va. Akpama.
era mano go amoyamu.
Abano, no guy, double, they had to wear a clay. Almost your work,
Lago, dotuma ya nutumare. Iruna na mame va gari. Na yo na do ai mo.
What happened yo?
Ebo ga gbogbo.
Ati Jesu we.
Ade gbogbo.
Ati Jesu we. Jesu we ni la me. Wese o ebere. Oh.
Jesu we ni la me.
Ati Richard Omori pato aba. Oh. Wato. Celebrate who the celebrate is happy so that always swabo. Roland gives. I greet you. Oh. Celebration is always. Imamata, not to when we get here. Yes, so my people, my brothers and sisters. But based off, I not too much get bigger time for this evening celebration. But tomorrow, when we come Monday, but not say now the Christmas time, so it not be working time again. Now suburb time. So I worry in here. So that be say my people, my berege a Mickey, my Kosope cafe. Roda where I was a lobo I saying where I see no where agmoenti we omego eti we even you na yi so say aweni we eti we se osalobo na we no okeke nu gwe otemege my leaders, my boss, my patrons, my comrades, the Akataka one, the Ogbuduwebe one of Ewesi, Orion local government, Benin City, Nigeria, the Enagbe one of Dallas, the truthful father that we know say no kana brabe, one of USA. Who am I talking? Who am I mentioning? Who am I say everything that I'm saying to? That is Mega Comrade Officer Clement Iranomigo Edegbe, based in Dallas, Texas, USA. Roda where Iramego wogo no kwa suobo. Oye baby ni be ye that year. Ogade o mu na egbuto igbiti. Well, on a blessing so sabo amugwe bi we ogieni we kelo lare based off either the systematic inuye or the age inuye or your form is the way we ya pick from God where do better where and what to where so irame iyeme iteme noga my brothers and sisters. This is your boy again, Comrade John in Ezena, Ibuzugbe, aka Voice of Justice, PFS second in command, onto position, social media. And here we sit down, and here we they give what belong to Caesar, and here we they give no yeve arievina. And here we they give who not belong to the God side. So my people, now so we reach your base of saying that the celebration we will get for one a plenty. If you say we will begin the count them, you not go feel score and say maybe you plus and minus and base of say if you count January to December, only you said the health where you just get Koro or Sunu or Maseko ye. Many things will be kidnapper be this many things. Of Yeso Yagmore, we will still celebrate January to December. Who can we celebrate on a hearty way because we're Orion Wema, also have an TV. A protection on a TV, you were there. Ona be don't leave us siva. Oma ye endiva. As he give you good health. Ona ye rio mo. Ona ye rigo. Ona ye rio sibioma. Ona violele. My comrades, Clement Edegbe. Owa ma ye se, me no ye busari. Ona go regbe ye rio mere. Princess. Ni mado we ugwe mi po gogo aje. So abana gie. Ona we adi agbon. Ludo gwera gogo for the celebration of Christmas and New Year. If you do it, I do where no year we are here now. I want to know me say me so me oh. I want to know me da me oh. I want to know me say me oh. I want to know me da me oh. So my brothers and sisters, this music go to all what we know for life. Try me, you know, say good things is better, bigger than bad things. We may see this your heart. So I worry anyway. Or when we are away, me no man. Or my when we are do ziga. Or my when we are see your twin koto. Or my when we are see and we are see and we are see a bed we are see to do ye koto. Or allow. Or when we are imi na where imi no ma. So or one mean omo no we mesi so me. Mega Comrade is a freedom fighter no one where e would not be a weather a we yet ona you won't canto. Okay low bona wow immediate na pa no akaya ti tema tamani wan akaya ti tema tamara akaya ti tema tamaye ona mwebo. Today, I am proud of my leader. We are begging to the social media here. David says, let's go one side. Omwe Bonia, Ogenaya Mudia, Ayate, Oronemoru, Nebotia, the voiceless. Nayate Bayan, Temino Suno Dayamo. That is how we have freedom fighter. So, whoever any imagine. Usaloboa ohen where igbinani oma easy because to be a freedom fighter oma easy. It give us protection. It give us good friends. It give us a good head. And it continue to deliver what we call omo igiogbe. Omo ogbede. Omo owa. Pace of say where ekoye oma. Oteme no grand, if you woman, let's live as a brother. What happened to Peter in the celebration time? We don't know go or with Jacob did to come and sit in Jacob's house. Because why? Now, Salobo Henry no ya where Uragume go ye when we no have a dogu we go. So that is why you see your brother, your son, your boy come out this hour and say, congratulations, we welcome our newborn baby princess from USA to this arena of 2020 celebration. Now, over to 2021 closing. So onamaye fo va ni ruda we omano Salobo we se nane esena mi ede we no odafen mi ede even ya se gbo wi ogo na we ni yen do o amaki no lare o Salobo we se ni ne ona we nu gwe gogo ruda we nu gu gogo o be suobo iteme no ga we magogo o be suobo o Salobo a ri e inu e. Get out clear where I reckon I'll like bury the name of social media. But the main reality pick it via your young one. But if you're your young one anywhere, you know what we are talking about concerning in our land. Emi no mano, no man in my year. Mario Hueb with the suburb always. My name your body mamu your where. Omana ogi mano But in your back on my hair, and what I die. That is why Mega Comrade it continue higher blessing. So my people, this is time for celebration of our newborn baby girl princess. So follow us, jubilate, follow us, celebrate, follow us, jugulate, so that Baba God, He will still dey prepare for you, make it come your house. Through that way, even now you go there to me. Okoni we data mi awe million aya doe. Wa eke na arule ye. Avec inoganse na na shedian. So that is the only the gift from God. When it come to you, celebrate it. So that's awe buere. Ego. Property ya auto. Power, that way more president or more governor or more senate. Oh, Ikoni, oga weme gbeno salo boariere. Abuga die. Una eti weme ogiva. Ogogo no so giva wa, almost so wa. Ah, weme gbeno so giva wa, almost so wa. So it's chome no gan. Ilema dorie. Otal pen la diangunu ruda we osalo bona we me iga kpome adiga be leva tama we nuwe we diakegewe egewe gare zozo, and keep up believe that God is the one that producing this. You're a factory aging machine of your area, and believe him, believe in God. With God all things are possible. Eti amigo, eti John ibizugbe no guegwana, even eti manomoe, eti usaloboano. Believe with your heart where usaloboa wonu mwe, oga mwe. Oteme, ilema time we, and ilema prophesy mawe. Come today, yagbon yoto. Comrade John Enezena ibizugbe, already prophesying we. Today 20 December 2020. Oteme ikowe ga ma. Ikowe de ka ma. Dan me he video na nu fi ikowe gwiriye. Nu we mi na tie. A we me gbe no salo bo akai and follow your people. Wa bere we now till 20 December 2021. Akala 2022 salo bo ari afin agbe no kwa no re de ranombigo oraso obo. Ifi egbo e. Afia gbe no ho no re ra no mego according to go ni magina no ye mare social media na ogas wo wa igo no aya koke ogas wo wa okpe ani de o mai kamio ile mata ma we na we e video na nu ge na okpe na oje we je gbe were ogas wo wa oku oni du mai kamio ile mata ma we na we ogogo no gwera no migo ogogo be video be na uga mi hwe yiwe vini ma mi hwe yima uga mi odo yiwe vini ma mi odo yima emi na ri tie emi no salo boya nyagbon oga suwo wa eso ga bi egbenu e onya ga bi egbenu e onyi ozigi no egizigi wo wa emi na ri tie aka se no kunu salo bare ne no vio yim ibi onu ma ya tema tamagbon oga si emi no mari o wa we ni Jesu etima etine mame ni Jesu ri ye marion ruda we mi no ma ni matamagbon ruda we mi no ma ni ma o ruda we mi no ma ni ma o no sunu agbon ni Jesu mu gbo iya gu wegun abakota na ya bata obase itama wene me no base ki no vi nezena me John no vi bizugbe. I prophesy for you all your cry, all your sorrow, it shall end today in Jesus' name. You shall receive what we call the blessing of your womb. You shall receive the blessing. uga momo kowe uga momo kowe uga momo kowe uga momo kowe no ma eweri okwu ke na pa uga mi okwu no gewe owe okpeni yekegewe egesene ni ma ya okpa idoga jenu ewude doga jenu wa avie yore beto okpa no teme iruna ukeriye wemiesi wemi no ma uda wono wemiesi emiesi omie omono be wemi dan mie also where this celebration of this hour is why we continue celebrating of truthful word. We me mata no saloboa we me mata you orion no quiet me orion with the it will be happiness no one. So my people my car bomo taro that were era no amigo, my leaders, my patrons, my comrades. I went time wa if you domenu zomo okpe ano okwo no ekenu ri yaje no na gwen gogo ruda we omoho no salo boya gbiyan ruwe awe ta we gwo gogo awe te gogo no kwa o be su ogwa owo gogo no kwa o be give fo wa we kina gbagwe kina gbagun kina gba tamata magbe amari ibego wa ya social media wa wesi oni opano ewe ni tamu wa ruda we omogo na wa emi ya wa wesi when wa be ya gbe congrats wa wesi kinori ori on egbon o kino mari ori on egbon o ora manu wa ruda we e mata are me agita omogbon no venorena I believe oge edoyano ogi mayano so saloboa akpa manoriere oga verie su ogwa so continue brother or sister in the name of say social media presenter. We love ourselves when it comes to the say family issue or children issue or child issue, but when it comes to the truth but we don't care. But I thank you very much for you to follow us celebrate. I thank you very much for you to follow us jubilate in the name of say our newborn baby, our comrades, our leader, comrade Clement Edegbe. So as you celebrate with us as a presenter, come on surely give you the same celebration for your platform, for your home, and for whatever you are looking for in this social media. For good though, not be for bad. So Orasuobo. Do we are making a like very food. Okay, can we raw where so I thank you very much for you to follow us celebrate. I thank you very much for you to follow us jubilate. I thank you very much for you to understand that go and Mawajina and it continue till January. Oh you here into the political arena. Oh you here because why? When God starts the blessing from these children. And when God bless you, you had no sorrow with it. You can never experience what we call sorrow. As we begin jubilate with the supporter of POI, and we will continue jubilate till the end of the truthful what we need for our land. So God bless you everyone. Not too much time, but tomorrow we are there to put some kind of political arena into the voice show. But at this moment, we are on to celebration to our big mega comrades for his newborn baby that here arrived yesterday. And the celebration is still on board and we are still on the movie based off Momo as a dough, you know, say we don't use and play. We already the suburb. That is why you see Voice of Justice since yesterday with the suburb, with the follow. Because why? Osalo Bono Mama me my go, or man name my million, or my wedding Maria a back accounting marry, or my wedding Maria a feeling my Mary, or no, it look you, it do it for you. So Saubana where we mean you give our praises. Or you were just a music or seminar dinner. Very soon you will hear the music. Usagime well, Usagime well, when God look you, bless you, bro, you have to praise God. So that's more gidigba blessing. Protection, so God bless you, everyone. Follow us jubilate and follow us celebrate for our newborn baby, Princess from Dallas, Texas, USA. Not to it, what there. Celebrate with us as we talk. So based on say, we don't know how we want to talk again because why? If God, a blessing come from God, you know how they be now. They always make you the anxiety, the excited, that is then the jubilate. Wow, Bob, that's you understand. So, Ogogo ni ma ye o, gogo ma ye. Ogogo no, ma baby omogbon o, gogo ma ye. Gogo no, ramamigo ni rame, gogo ma ye. Gogo no, ewesi no pewo, gogo ma ye. Gogo no, iyokori omo, gogo ma ye. Gogo no, ramamigo bi omogbon o, gogo ma ye. So my people, gogo ma ye celebration, and we will continue to celebrate because why I don't know here now. You understand? We know the value of child, so we respect. When he visits your home as a gift from God, we respect it and we continue respect. So, that be say, my people, don't blame me and take him with me the way you see him. Because why? When a dead basin, the suburb will still continue. I will continue let my people know say we miss so that suburb not via anywhere and orare efo eka America on Wednesday, no, that is a blessing from the God Almighty. When you believe where you're where and you not believe you where or nowhere now ulele celebrate or have a way and my sister or have a way and my brother. I do where even I yet you go colono even though Daphne me deve kino we no renania when I go where you go gone well. Of a sure one. When I go a sure where all go dear or we have a boo. So if you are doing that is the blessing of today. We not too much get too much time based of say Okbeni my where deck been a scene. A deck been a scene where celebration continue with the carry ties. One very make fear with the baba. Cause Okbeni then I basing on where Okbeni Makeri you are seeing. In the name of say where Ogogona, Sabuame, double blessing on here. We are celebrating the Christmas, in advance. Papa God bless you. Tomorrow now, 21, we will celebrate the other AZD Igbo side where Papa God still give us true and amigo. So Ahwe 21 birthday for our own song again of everywhere, the Igbo Bianima, because Oteme Imaria, Eki Mama, or say any anayati ba. So so my people continue rejoice because I can't avoid him in the matter. Bless your name, bro. Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Bless your name as you follow us, celebrate. Baba must give you your own direct. Celebrate Mega Comrade Officer Clemente Ranomigo, newborn baby that you arrived in the United States of America yesterday, Dallas, Texas. So we know, same as you follow us, understand the celebration of a baby, of a child, of a son or daughter. If when you follow us, God must only give you the same thing. So, bye for now, bye for now. Tomorrow, we are together, my people. We're not celebrate with God. So that's why we're here. Bye for now, bye for now. this music. I hold no copyright for this music. On Facebook, you can hear my word. I hold no copyright for this music. I forget to write it. I hold no copyright for this music. Bless everyone. Bless everyone. Bless everyone. Bless his voice of praises.